Díagíomh fastí agus hisismóirí an seachtain shot ma jog ober Cabajilla Quig Jig, Chapter 15, Teicneolaíocht Technology, bunithe an tíama den telefís based on the theme of TV. So Rahmat Frieder Vukla nua chimpel an booster dús agus den sin pléifmid cúpla frasí atá buinte leis an booster. So first of all, we'll go around all our new words of the week and then we'll talk about a few phrases to do with the poster. So an céad picture na telefís, TV, rialtan, remote, réimhre, computer, tablet, ag cínú, crying, ag gaire, laughing, ag éisteach le ceol, listening to music, ag fecin sharing telefís, watching TV. We could also be, if like he's here, ag immert clia riomhre, playing a computer game. Ceol, music, tablet, or phone poca gom leis gil, phone poca, mobile phone, tabla, table, agus nuachtan, newspaper. Agus tá sé lig bunch leis an commerceid, all related to communications, agus technoliacht, agus tá mami ag cantar ar a phone, she's talking on her phone, tá sifra ag éisteacht le ceol ar a iPod, she's listening to music on her iPod, tá dadji ag fecint agus ag obair ar a riomhre glúine, or ar a riomhre, if you just want to say it, riomhre on his computer. Riomhre glúine, your glúine is your knee, so riomhre glúine means laptop. So daddy is looking or working on his laptop. Agus tá Sean agus Oisín ag immert clíthe riomhre ar an PSG. So they're looking at their playing a computer game on their PSG there. Tá Oisín ag cínú mar Neil Sean ag tuairt seanstá ar an clíthe riomhre because Sean isn't giving him a chance to go on the computer game. Tá Taffy in the Lee ar an mata. Taffy's lying on the mat. Tá mami ag léamh nuachtan cumai, she's reading a newspaper. Tá Lola in a chalú ar an tullag. Lola is the cat is sleeping on the couch. Fecim go bhfuil bored. Riomhre in aca leis an finneoga. I see that there's a computer table beside the window. Agus tá riomhre ar, there's a computer on it. Agus fecim go bhfuil Elfie tíomh hir den curtainy. I see that Elfie is behind the curtains. So tá lean rud ag olará, tá mug of coffee ag dadji ar an board cafe. Daddy has a mug of coffee on the coffee table. So to get dana is these the shomer sitcha, everybody's in the sitting room, agus tá siad ag usage ruddy technical. They're using technical gadgets. Earlishi, if you want to say gadgets, earlishi, which is the Irish for gadgets. Okay, so éis dóimeis ar Dan agus Auran na seachtaine, or poem and song of the week. Rahmat Friedna Fukla Ervidus, Tammy Shomer Sitcha, I'm in the sitting room, 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 in Mohi Erantolog sitting on the couch. Catatair Shulugget, what are you at? Catatair Shulugget, and Wultuik Fekinch Clar Helafisha, are you watching a TV program? And they say, Neil, no, I'm not. Catatair Shulugget, what are you doing? And Wultuik Eishaklish an iPod bag, are you listening to your little iPod? Neil, no. Catatair Shulugget, and Wultuik Canchla the Cara Erin Vaughan, are you talking to your friend on the phone? Neil. Tamish Somersetcha, I'm in the sitting room, in the sitting room, in the sitting room. I'm in the sitting room, sitting on the couch. In Mohi Antolog. So that's our song of the week. Our Dan the Shachtana, our poem of the week is called Antelafish, the TV. Tamsha Bish, I'm excited. Takiadogum Fekenge Antelafish, I'm allowed to play to watch the TV. Cartoon is Kjol, cartoons and music. Amviha is sport, animals and sport. Is Bralum and Telefish. I love the TV, Clar de Gas sort programs of every type. Is Shala Mami, August Ersa she, in comes Mami, and so she says, Mavrona store Tashinam Dulnali. I'm sorry, my love, but it's time to go to bed. So Ishtó much leis we'll listen to them now, everybody. Agus and then sin be much I canu iad osard will be singing them out loud. Tammy sa shomra sitcha.
Tammy sa shomra sitcha.
So, Tammy sa shomra sitcha sinna oran na seachtain, that's our song of the week. And now Ishtó much leis dan na seachtaine and telefish, our poem of the week, the TV.
An telefish. Tom sé bís. Tom sé bís. Tá cead agam fechan an telefish. Cartoon is cure, anmhatha is sport. Is sprála man telefish, clór der gach sort. Is jock le mommy agus sa she, Mavrona store, the Shanam the Lily.
Tashinam Donnelly, it's time to go to bed. So Shaw our boaster bunch of lesson Teicneolaíocht and Seachtain Shaw associated with technology this week. This is our poster. Ishgi and Ishafashti done the Vukla Nua. Listen to all your new words. Go free Jade, go through them, August Fola Meadle at the Hull and learn them as we best can. Guramaigif, Slan.